Need to merge multiple PDFs or add extra pages to a document you already have open? With PDF Editor Studio, you can combine PDF files directly inside your Chrome browser. From the editor, head to the Document panel on the right-hand side and select Merge PDFs. Choose 2 or more PDF files to merge, or use this tool to add another PDF onto your current document. Once your files are imported, the combined pages will appear in the Pages panel on the left. From here, you can click through each page to check your document and drag the page thumbnails into a new order whenever you need to rearrange them. This makes it easy to combine invoices, forms, reports, or any other PDF documents into one organized file. Once your pages are in the correct order, click Export to download your finished PDF. No complicated software, and no need to leave your browser. Click the link in the description to download PDF Editor Studio from the Chrome Web Store and subscribe for more quick PDF tips.